students, welcome to Indodemy Learning Solutions. So today we are going to learn a very important lesson about a very important person. Who is that? But I'm not going to disclose it right now. Before that, we will have an introduction. See this slide and you can see many people there. And what do you understand from that? They are people from different circumstances. All of them are human, but they are not alike. They are different in their culture, they are different in their gender, they are different in their age groups, and of course, they are different in their socio-economic status. And again, you can see another image, and here also we can see people who believe in different religious beliefs and also having different political beliefs. And there we can see people have physical disabilities. Yes, there are people with different physical capacities and all. Now in another slide we can see everybody is different. Everybody is human. Yes, everybody is different. Everybody is human. Every person is unique, but every person is different. That is unity in diversity. നാനാത്വത്തിൽ ഏകത്വം എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയും. എല്ലാവരും ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആണ്. ആ ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആകുന്നതാണ് എന്താണ് നമ്മളുടെ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ കാര്യത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ആ യുണീക്നെസ് സൃഷ്ടിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും ഡൈവേഴ്സ് ആകുന്നത് കൊണ്ടാണ്. നമ്മുടെ യുണീക്നെസ് ആണ് ആ ഡൈവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. And now in our chapter we can see that Dr. Kalam said everybody is unique in their own ways. There are many people who proved their uniqueness, challenging their limitations. Yes, we are going to learn about such a person who challenged his limitations and came forward to give more inspiration to the world. And let's see, what is the chapter? Yes, the chapter's name is Quest for a Theory of Everything. Who wrote it? Kitty Gale Ferguson. Kitty Gale Ferguson is the one who wrote it. Now you might be thinking, who is this Kitty Gale Ferguson? We haven't acquainted her before. Yes, now this is this person, Kitty Gale Ferguson, and she is an American science writer, and she is a former professional musician, and also she is a lecturer. She is the one who wrote about this person, and again this person is becoming more interesting because we haven't disclosed who that person is. Let's see. April 29th, 1980. Oh my God, what might have happened at that time? April 29th, 1980? Yes. What is this again? This is called Cockcroft Lecture Room. And now let's see what happened. And we must understand about this Cockcroft Lecture Room. This is steep tiers of chairs, and we can see 2-story wall of chalkboard and a slide screen there. When we are sitting in this class, we must imagine that there are people sitting in that Cockcroft Lecture Room. And who are that people? Can you imagine people there? Who are that people? They are very important university dignitaries, scientists. All of them are there. They came for a lecture. Of course, they are in a lecture room. They came for a lecture. And who is taking that lecture? And here we can see the occasion was inaugural lecture by a new location professor of mathematics, a 38-year-old mathematician and physicist, Stephen Hawking. They are waiting for someone. They are waiting for a location professor. And what is this location professor? Location professor is a professorship given by Cambridge University. Cambridge University കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രൊഫസർഷിപ്പ് ആണ് ലൊക്കേഷൻ പ്രൊഫസർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So a location professor of mathematics is coming there and we are going to see that person right now. Yeah, this person. Did you get who is this? If you didn't get this person, I will show you the next image, then you will get. Now you got. Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking, a very great physicist, cosmologist, and more than everything, he is a great inspiration for all of us. And he is there to take a lecture on a title, Is the End in Sight for Theoretical Physics? It is a question. അതായത് തിയററ്റിക്കൽ ഫിസിക്സ് ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണോ? ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ ടൈറ്റിൽ. എല്ലാവരും ഞെട്ടി. കാരണം എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ he said that I believed like that. I believed it is the end in the sight for theoretical physics. Theoretical physics അവസാനിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണെന്ന് ആര് വിശ്വസിച്ചു? സ്റ്റീഫൻ ഹോക്കിംഗ് വിശ്വസിച്ചു. That startled everyone. What is startled? ഞെട്ടിച്ചു കളഞ്ഞു എല്ലാവരെയും. He invited everyone to join him in a sensational escape through time and space to find Holy Grail of science. The theory that explains the universe and everything in it. Now you see that word Holy Grail. And what is Holy Grail? This is Holy Grail. And we can see Holy Grail with Jesus Christ. So we can understand it is something sacred for Christians. So for Hawking's too, physics is not ordinary physics. It is something sacred. So he is asking all the dignitaries and scientists to come out from the border of space and time to find this holy grail of physics. എല്ലാത്തിൽ നിന്ന് പുറത്ത് വരിക. ഓക്കെ, ഫിസിക്കലി ഒരു ബോർഡേഴ്സും ഇല്ലാണ്ട് പുറത്ത് വന്ന് ആ ഹോളി ഗ്രെയിൽ, അതായത് ഫിസിക്സ് ആകുന്ന ആ ഹോളി ഗ്രെയിലിലേക്ക് നമുക്ക് കടക്കാമെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. And this is not an ordinary thing, because he says that it is the theory that explains the universe and everything that happens in it. ഈ ഒരു ലോകത്തെക്കുറിച്ചും ഇവിടെ നടക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചും അതിലുണ്ട്. So that becomes something sacred.